How to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Did you know right after you have purchased yourself a boarding pass, you can directly add to your Google Wallet? Yes, you have heard it right. Directly from your broker app or website or your airline website, you can just click on the Add to Google Wallet option to add it into your wallet. However, if you have got yourself a physical ticket, no need to worry. All you need to do is basically reach out to the barcode of your boarding pass, then open up your mobile device and just scan the QR code or the barcode. After it has been scanned successfully, you will see the option of Add to Google Wallet. Just click on it and just like that, it has been added to your Google Wallet. You can also add a boarding pass with a screenshot. If you have it via email address and you are not getting the chance to download it, firstly, quickly capture or screenshot your boarding pass. Right after the notification of the screenshot, you will have the option to add to Google Wallet. You can just click on Add to Wallet, then tap on the Save option. Now, if you want to manually add through your Google Wallet, all you need to do is open up the Google Wallet application, then find the option of Important section of Wallet or Upcoming Events. Then tap on the ticket. Show the barcode or QR code on your phone so the attendant can scan it. If you have more than one ticket, be sure to show each barcode. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try.